Create layers within your Lucidchart diagrams to clearly and concisely show levels of a system, different phases of a process, or to illustrate alternative states for a design. Let's say you want to create a diagram that conveys a current process within your business, as well as the improvements you'd like to make. Instead of creating two separate diagrams on different tabs in Lucidchart, combine your current state diagram with your future state diagram within one document utilizing layers. Get started by creating a layer. Go to your layers icon at the bottom of your editor. Here, you'll see a base layer highlighted in blue where your current process has been built. Note, this layer can't be deleted. To create a new layer for your future state process, click the Add Layer button and double-click the new layer title to rename your layer. You can add objects to each layer in two ways. First, you'll notice that when this layer is highlighted in the Layers pop-up window, the shapes that are not on this layer have been grayed out. Keep this in mind as you edit each layer. From here, you can drag and drop your new process on top of your current process. Notice as you drag shapes onto the canvas, they are brighter in color to signify that you are editing on the new layer, not the base layer. If the current and future processes have already been mapped out within the same diagram, you'll want to add your shapes differently. Highlight all the objects you'd like to add to a layer and right-click. Select Move to Layer and choose the layer you'd like to move these objects to. Once you've built out your new process, you'll notice that both processes are still visible on the canvas. To prevent confusion when others are looking at your diagram, go into your Layers window, click on the eye icon next to the layer you'd like to hide, then click Sync Visibility. This ensures that whenever someone enters your Lucidchart document, they will see the current process and not all the other layers at once. Once the visibility has been synced, you'll want to add the action feature to make the future process appear on the canvas. To create the action, start by dragging a shape onto your canvas. Add a shadow from the Shape Options icon to give it a button feel. With that button shape highlighted, go to your Actions icon in the Properties bar and click on the Layers tab. Here, you'll have the option to toggle, show, and hide layers. When working with one layer, go to the drop-down menu for Toggle and check the box next to the layer you want to appear. Then hit Done. Show and hide are great to use when you want to show or hide many layers at the same time. With an action attached to your button, you can hit Command-Shift and click the button if you're on a Mac, and Shift-Control-Click for a PC and watch as the new process appears. Keep in mind that if you choose to present your layer diagram with presentation mode in Lucidchart, these layers will still work without the keyboard commands.